Hey everybody, this is Brad from John The Plumber, out here in Orleans for a septic tank and field replacement. Homeowner had a couple renovations done to the house and added a couple fixtures, added a bathroom. So because of this, we had to have the tank and the field replaced. So this started with replacing the old tanks. We decommissioned the old tank, ripped out the old tank, got that guy out. Dug our new pit for the new tank to be dropped in. Had a new bed ready and graded and backfilled with filter media sand. And septic stone.
Once the team has the filter media sand and septic stones unloaded and filled in the new septic field, they grade everything to proper code, making sure everything is level. Once the field is properly graded, they start putting together the septic field piping system. This is where the effluent from the septic tank will compose back to the soil. Then, they connect the septic field to the septic tank to the home's main drain line. Back to you, Brad.
All of this was pre-drawn out by an engineering firm. So we are basically just following plans according to the engineer drawings, following all of that to spec to make sure that that is all good to go. We've successfully passed our first inspection, which means the system is good to be used. And at the moment, we are just grading and getting everything backfilled and putting his yard back together.
John the Plumber is proud to offer Ottawa and its surrounding areas septic replacement, septic installation, and septic repair services. Our team of licensed, insured, and friendly plumbers warrant that the job is handled with precision and care, ensuring long-lasting performance and health for your septic system. If you need septic tank services, call the friendly and reliable professionals at John the Plumber.